Hello. On today's video, I'll show you how to make a Scandinavian Fabric Star Ornament. I use 4 strips of jelly rolls. This is a Christmas collection. One of the fabrics, I switched them so it would be easier for you to follow the instructions. I cut the 4 strips 15 inches long. I fold it in half, press it, and then the size of the fabric I fold towards the center. In that case, we're going to have 4 pieces of strips 15 inches long. And I took this instant hem tape to secure the strips. You can use fabric glue if you prefer, or you can stitch the side of the strip, but I use this because it's faster for me. And I don't know if you've used this before, but this is like a double stick tape. You just put it on one of the sides to the fabric, and then you press, and then you remove the white backing or the back tape, and it will hold both sides of the fabric together. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the strips in, leaving 1 inch on one of the sides, and then I'm going to press the center. Now I'm going to take this red strip, and I'm going to insert between the first gold strip, and then that first gold strip I'm going to insert on the second gold strip, and then the second red strip I'm going to insert the second gold strip, and then that second red strip I'm going to insert it inside the first red strip. And you're gonna have like this square, and then you're gonna have to pull tight because that's what's gonna hold the fabric star. You can see here I have on the top the shorter side of the strips, and the long side is on the back. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it over, so now I'm gonna have on top the long sides of the strip. Now I'm gonna take the gold strip that is on the top, fold it down, then the right to the left, bottom to the top, and left to right. And in this case, as you can see, the red strip I'm going to insert through the first gold strip that I pull or folded down. I'm going to take the first strip that is on my right, I'm going to fold it towards the outside, flip everything over, and take that same strip and make like a triangle, as you can see here. Let me do a close-up. And now we're gonna fold it towards the center, and now I'm gonna put a clip, and now I'm gonna cut the excess fabric, and that is gonna get tucked in into that red strip. Now we're going to repeat the same process with the next strip, the red one that is towards my right. Forward to the outside, flip everything over, make a triangle, cut the excess fabric, fold everything towards the inside, and that little excess fabric, you're going to tuck it in the fabric that is below. And pretty much you're going to repeat the same process in every single strip. Something I forgot to mention earlier, I use jelly roll strips of fabric, and they are 2.5 inches wide. If you want your star to be bigger, you need to use wider strips of fabric, like you can go 4 inches. As you can see here, we already have the star. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put hot glue on the little triangles and on the fabric in the middle that is holding that triangle fabric, just to hold everything in place. You can use fabric glue if you prefer. And then I'm going to take a piece of ribbon. I'm going to put a pin. I'm going to put hot glue on the pin, and I'm going to insert that through the middle of two triangles, because this is what's gonna what we're gonna use to hang the star on the tree. Now I have these gold flowers, and I'm gonna glue them to the center of the star just to embellish it more. Well guys, hope you like this tutorial. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.